Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're looking into making swallow out of your fruit juice shaft, or you can say making swallow out of your fruits and vegetables. Stay tuned, we're taking you step by step on how I achieve this. I started by cutting my vegetables, my fruits, my spices. Feel free to use anything you want to use for your smoothie. I posted the smoothie recipe on my channel. You can go through it and see how I made this smoothie. Then I use the shell for this swallow. Stay tuned as I take you through. And if you want to know how I wrap my swallow to achieve this look on it, comment in this comment section and I will take you through. How do you feel about this soup? I'll be posting it next. So please, if you've not subscribed, do so and turn on the notification. I'll be bringing to you back to back healthy meals this 2024. Thank you for watching and bye.